Hello there. So you wanna know how you can simply go ahead and use Bitwarden Authenticator Cloud Sync. I'm going to explain to you exactly what it is. So Bitwarden Authenticator Cloud Sync allows you to use the Bitwarden mobile authenticator application in tandem with the Bitwarden password manager, enabling seamless synchronization of OTP, which is basically time based one time password between them. You can simply go ahead and choose the sync code from all your password manager accounts to the authenticator application, or selectively add local codes from the app into your password manager. So, in order to go ahead and do so, simply go ahead and open your Bitwarden application, which is the Authenticator application. Click on the settings and then click on Sync with Bitwarden application. Once you simply go ahead and download the Bitwarden password manager, all you need to do is simply log in into the same account with these both applications. That is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next.